community, and the Parents Council, we sincerely thank our presider, Reverend Monsignor Romualdo G. Quintanar, HP, for leading this meaningful Eucharistic celebration for Family Day 2026 with the theme Pilgrims of Hope, sharing love with the family, and for proclaiming God's Word that has inspired and strengthened our families today. We also extend our sincere appreciation to our school administrators, faculty, staff, parents, students, alumni, and all the families gathered here. Your presence truly reflects the spirit of unity, love, and faith that this Family Day represents. Above all, we thank our Almighty Father for His faithful love, boundless mercy, and countless blessings, which continually guide, sustain, and strengthen us as we community in faith and service. May the grace we have received